Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to another FK8 video. Like I say, we've got lots of FK2s and FK8s, mainly FK8s, and we're here at Dream Automotive. I'll show you around in a mo. Yeah, for basically a cars and coffee meet and a drive out and a convoy down to the Sharnbrook. Never been before, can't wait to go. Going to have lunch there, see what the place is all about, and yeah, like I say, I'll take you around some of the cars here and around the Dream Automotive garage. I may grab a feel for a little conversation later, and I'm gonna announce a little something to you guys a little bit later as well. That's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, watch on and enjoy, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Yeah, mate. Yeah, when am I driving?
Take the steering wheel off as well.
When am I driving it?
When are you driving it?
Yeah.
Well, we've got a little way just yet.
Mate, I'd love to. Yeah, it's looking awesome, mate. It's sick, isn't it? That's going to be an absolute weapon in a round
It
track.
feels
Like,
very different tonight.
So that is the end of our vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, it's been a really cool day here at the Dream Automotive and Sharnbrook Hotel Cars and Coffee meet. It's been absolutely superb. Hope you've enjoyed some of the different content we've got for you. We've absolutely loved our drive. It's been really awesome hospitality from the guys at Sharnbrook, so go give those guys a follow as well on the socials. And if you don't follow Dream Automotive and Sharnbrook Petrolheadonism, if I say that right, make sure you do. I'll give links in the bio. So if you've made it to the end of the video, you're going to get this little kind of almost exclusive content if you haven't been following us on Instagram as such, to hear of a few things. We're going to be working in partnership with Dream Automotive. They were always planning to run their beasty full kind of time attack FK8 in the time attack UK time attack championship. I think they're only going to run for a few rounds, maybe a little bit more, depending on what they decide to do. But they're going to be supporting us all season. So we are going to be running in our FK8 all season. I may put a few one round entries in with my Supra as well. But we're going to do every single round, and we're going to be mounting a launch for the title in Clubman class, I think it is. They call it club class, which is like kind of the bottom end of the range for street type cars with basic bolt-ons. I think our biggest challenge is going to be this really fast Mini that's pretty much a Mini Challenge Cup car, which is ridiculously rapid. But I already know from my one round entry that we was and can be really competitive. I know of the other times that car does around track. We're going to have to find some time, that's for sure. And they're probably doing more this season, so we're going to mount a challenge to represent the FK8 community and go after that win, and try and win as many championship rounds as we can, and ultimately win the championship for the year. So I want you guys to get behind us, representing for the FK8 community. And yeah, thank you if you made it to the end of the video. That's our kind of announcement with Dream Automotive. Like I say, Phil and the guys are going to be coming to every round and supporting us even if they're not racing. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to bringing you some series of videos also now of some of the extra modifications we're going to do to the car. They're not going to be super wild, they're actually going to be quite mild, but they're going to be the right kind of handling type mods that you'd need for time attack. So just going to make some real good improvements just to get some extra time needed to hopefully win us that championship. But yeah, thanks for getting to the end of the video, and hope you enjoyed. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the day and the video. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.